Hey guys, I figured I would make a little video for my 7th and 8th graders and my track kids and all that. I thought I would just throw you all in one all together. So anyway, I just wanted to let you all know that I am all kinds of disappointed that our school year's over. To you 8th graders who were once my math kids, don't worry, all of you guys are all still my kids. But I just wanted to let you know that you will be missed next year when you all head off to high school. You were my first middle school class. I got kind of attached to you. So I love you guys and good luck in high school. To my 7th graders from last year, oh my gosh, you guys have such a special spot in my heart too. It was a long year for me that year. And I am very thankful that each one of you was a part of it and we all got through it together. So, um, and since, I'm including all the track stuff in here too, I am so disappointed that there is no track this season. Um, that's a huge disappointment here. Um, so I hope you guys, stay busy, stay active, take lots of walks, walk your dog. My dog's going to hate me by the end of this. Um, and, take good care of yourselves and, I don't know, enjoy this extra long summer break, I guess. I don't know. Um, so yeah, I love all of you guys. And I will see those of you who are going into 8th grade when school starts again. And my 8th graders, I'll see you all, I don't know, sometime when you come back to middle school. I don't know why anybody'd want to do that. Oh, because I'm there and it's that awesome. So anyway, yep, feel free to email, shoot me Instagram messages, whatever. I'm still around, guys. Bye.